This is the Zoom kit. We've got a bunch of these in the video lab. Come with the basic 2 microphones here, USB cable, something for the wind. You can use this as an audio interface, which means you can have this thing with a bunch of different microphones plugged in for your video shoot. You can go out of the headphone jack and then into a DSLR camera. Inputs mic for a little handheld camcorder. So you can also have your reference audio on your main camera. Also, in the video lab, we've got these Focusrite Scarletts, which have 2 inputs or 1 input depending on the model. This one has 2. And here's another option as an interface. Now we'll check out to you the basic USB cable. We also have adapters such as these so that you can power the interface when you're using an iPad like the one I'm shooting on right now, or an iPhone, where you would have your inputs. You have your basic inputs here for USB, but then also USB-C. Now you'll need to power it while you're operating the Focusrite to give it enough power when you're using an iPhone or an iPad. Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2. So in this situation, I am recording directly to the iPad, iPhone, whatever, through a USB-C connector. Got this microphone right here. So right now, with this particular setup, I've got this microphone here. I'll hold it up closer so you can hear me clearly. This microphone is plugged into input number 1. I've got the gain turned up here. And basically, with this kind of a setup, yeah, you're hearing what it would sound like with a higher quality condenser mic. And this can be connected to iPad, iPhone, as long as you have pretty good power connected to the adapter. Should sound fine. So this is the Scarlett connected to iPad, iPhone. We have 2 of these, I believe, for checkout. Okay, over and out. Right now I'm recording on the microphone, the default mic on the iPad. So we got a bunch of these zooms for checkout, and I'm also going to record using the zoom and the different inputs and the different mics so you can hear what they sound like in the next few videos. So the basic mic you put on the top, click it on, power it on here. You've also got your microphone gain here at the top to set your levels. Now right now, you're not going to get any levels because it's not set right. Got to set it to left and right. Now you can see we're going to turn number 1 off too. Now you can see we got the levels here. The mic is, when I tap this mic, it's obviously too loud, so we got to turn it down a little bit. So that's the mic on the top there for your kind of default microphone for this Zoom. There's different kind of mic you can use on here, and you can read up in the manual and online specifically what these different mics are useful for. But basically, you should just use the default mic most of the time. Like I said in the other video, you can also plug in with XLR cable into these inputs here. We have plenty of these in the video lab, XLR cables. So an XLR cable like this one, choose an input like input 1, plug in your mic. In this case, one of these Shores. It's good for recording acoustic stuff and vocals, this kind of mic. Most of the time you're using a shotgun mic for a shoot. This is just for example. And as you can see, the microphone, we're turning those off. You got input number 1 here. I'm going to turn that down, it's too hot. You can see our levels right there at the bottom. Now remember, you can go out of the headphone port. You can check out a really long mini cable like this one. And in theory, you could go out of the headphone port like this and into the camera you're using, right? With this adapter, whether that's a Blackmagic or a Sony, Canon GH20, whatever we got, you can use You can go out of this headphone jack to also monitor the audio that's going in here. Then you would take that audio, run it through the USB cable, take it off of here, and bring it into your project, whether you're editing a Premiere or whatever program.